everyone, this is Sound Russian channel. My name is Victoria and I'm a certified teacher of Russian language. In this video, I will tell you how to use dative case in the meaning of recipient. So when there is an action and there is a recipient of this action. So the recipient, the object, will be used in dative case. The questions of the dative case are кому, чему, кому, чему. And today we will have a look at how we change the forms of pronouns in dative case and nouns in dative case. Because sometimes we name the object or we name the recipient, or sometimes we use a pronoun instead of a noun. So we start with pronouns. The pronouns, personal pronouns in dative case will have the following forms. The personal pronoun я will be in the form мне. Ты тебе. Он, оно ему. Она ей. Мы нам. Вы вам. Они им. So if there is a sentence and you name the object of the sentence using a pronoun, then you use the dative case of personal pronouns. So these forms of personal pronouns. Okay, so that's about pronouns. And now I will show you how to change nouns in dative case. So we start with singular nouns. Masculine nouns will change the following way. For example, студент, студенту. So when the ending of the word has a hard type, student, the final letter is hard. So the final sound, to be correct, is hard. Then the ending will be u, студент, студенту. Учитель, учителю. The final sound of this word is soft. So this word will change in a soft type. Учитель, учителю, лю, у, ю. Feminine nouns. Мама, маме, а, е. Катя, кате, я, е. Лошадь, лошади. So here it's a bit different. You have a soft sign at the end of the word, and then the ending is и. Лошадь, лошади. Okay, neutral nouns change their forms as follows. Место, месту, море, морю. So the endings are the same as in masculine, and the principle is the same. Hard type, you change u. Soft type, you change for you. Okay, but we can also use plural nouns in dative case, and then it will be, these nouns will have the following endings. So if your plural noun ends in y, like студенты, студенты, then we change the ending for студентам, кому, студентам. Писатели, the soft type, писатели, и we change for ям, писателям. Окна, моря, when the endings are я, we add letter M. Окнам, морям. So, pay attention. If the final letter, if the letter that goes before the ending is K or G, H, Ch, Sh, Sh, Zh, then the ending will be the ending of the hard type. For example, моряки, so the letter that goes before the ending is K, then it will be морякам, K plus Врачи, consonant Ch, врачи, врачам. So that's how you change nouns if they are in dative case. So, and now we will have a look at some examples. So, dative case in the meaning of recipient. Я дал книгу кому? Другу. I gave a book to my friend. So, who is the recipient of this action, of the action давать, of the action to give? The recipient is друг. And we use this word in dative. Другу. Я дал книгу кому? The question of dative. Другу. Я дал книгу другу. Друг, nominative. Другу, dative. У моей мамы завтра день рождения. It's my mom's birthday tomorrow. Я подарю маме цветы. I will present, I will give as a present. Я подарю кому? Who is the recipient of the present? Мама. Я подарю маме цветы. Я подарю кому? Dative. Маме цветы. Мама маме. Okay. Now an example with plural nouns. Они пишут письма друзьям. So they are writing letters to their friends. So who is the recipient? Friends are the recipients. Они пишут письма кому? Друзьям. Друзья друзьям. Okay, so one more example. Ты звонишь брату по телефону. You are calling your brother on the phone. So who is the recipient of the action to call? The recipient is the brother, брат. Ты звонишь кому? The question is in dative. Брату по телефону. Брат, брату. Okay, so you can ask a question with which verbs we need to use dative. Of course, this list is bigger, wider, longer, but I just showed you some examples of the verbs that are frequently used, and you might, it might be useful to remember after which verbs you need to use dative. So, and this is the list of the verbs of very frequently used words. Писать, написать, meaning to write. Показывать, показать, to show. Посылать, послать, to send. Говорить, сказать, to say. Рассказывать, рассказать, to tell. Давать, дать, to give. Дарить, подарить, to present. Отвечать, ответить, to answer. Верить, поверить, to believe. Продавать, продать, to sell. Советовать, посоветовать, to advise. Помогать, помочь, to help. Мешать, помешать, to interfere. Звонить, позвонить, to call. Обещать, пообещать, to promise. Разрешать, разрешить, to allow. Объяснять, объяснить, to explain. So if you make a sentence with one of these verbs and you mention the recipient of these actions, then the recipient should be used in dative. How to make dative of nouns and pronouns I already showed you in the beginning of this video. So you can make a screenshot of the rules of the list of verbs and keep them somewhere. And just as an idea, I suggest writing some example sentences in the comments to this video, and I will be happy to read your comments, read your examples, give you some feedback. And yes, also you can write in the comments if this video was useful and if you want me to make more of such videos. So thank you for watching this one and see you in future lessons. Увидимся. Пока-пока.